Hi guys, good morning. This is for Gen Z kids and 2K kids of Celesticure. This reading is especially for them. What is your twin flame energy? That is, what is the divine masculine wants to inform the divine feminine, or what does, if your divine masculine is watching this, if you are very into and curious about what does your divine feminine wants to inform you, this is what does, in general, what does your twin flame want to inform you, give you messages. So universe, let me get what are the messages for the person who is watching this from their twin flame. So this is for Zen set kids and 2K kids. What are the informations from their twin flame? What are the informations from their twin flame for Zen set kids and 2K kids? What are the information from the twin flame? What are the informations from their twin flame to Zen set kids and 2K kids? What are the information from their twin flame for Zen Z kids and 2K kids? What are the information from their twin flame for Gen Z kids and 2K kids? What are the information from the twin flame, from their twin flame for Gen Z kids and 2K kids? What are the information for Gen Z kids and 2K kids from their twin flame? What are the informations for Gen Z kids and 2K kids from their twin flame? Let me know through these cards. What are the informations for Gen Z kids and 2K kids from their twin flame? Okay, guys, let me explain the card. Okay, yeah. So, first card is Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles, you can see how closely he is holding all the four pentacles. This is a phase where, like, your twin flame knows whatever they are doing now is not surviving their serving their highest good, and they have to let go of it. But whatever they have now has a familiarity with them, isn't it? So it is not that easy for them to let go of that thing immediately. So this is a phase where they know they have to let go of that thing, but they are not able to let go of that thing. So it is a phase in between. So they are holding to that very tightly. But how much time will they keep holding to that so tightly? See, until a certain stage only they can keep holding. If they keep on holding it so tightly, their arms and legs will start paining for them, isn't it? So now they know they have to let go of things which is not serving their highest good. They are informing you, yes, yes, I know I have to let go of things which is not serving my highest good, but give me some time so that I let go of all these things and come to you. Next card is High Priestess. Okay, so High Priestess card is like completely very feministic. If you are a feminine watching this, this card tells so much of transformation. See, the butterfly is around. So she has transformed into so much of like life challenges. She has undergone so much of life challenges, and she has learned so much of life lessons. And she was as an emotionally, see, or he, whomever is your twin flame, was a emotionally weak person. Now their transformation is happening. They are becoming little by little stronger and stronger as days are passing on, and they are informing you that Now they are gathering information about the spiritual journey. They have entered into spiritual journey. Now they are collecting information about the eternal truths, that is universal laws. And now they are learning to apply all the universal laws on this earth and manifest their dreams into reality, because dreams are of 5D, and you want to live that dreams in reality is in this 3D. So now your twin flame is learning about what is 5D, what is 3D, and how to manifest my dreams into reality using all those universal laws on this earth, all that. So they are telling, so I'm completely into manifesting my dreams into reality. So once let me become well accomplished and let me become completely independent personality, and then I'll come to you. That is what they are telling you, informing you. Next card is Two of Wands. So, Two of Wands means path of chosen. So, they now know that they have decided this is what is my passion, this is what I want to live, these are my dreams as a package, they know now. So, this and this and this and this, these all are my dreams. I want to manifest all of them in my reality, and at least I want a basic life where I'm not dependent upon anybody. So, and that basic life also should be like my dream life. Once I achieve that, once I start my journey into my dream life, but I've decided only to live my dream life in reality. So, once I enter into my dream life into reality, once I start living my dream life into reality, let me think about coming to you. But as of now, I know you are my the ultimate one. So please be patient with me and please bear this with me. Only when my cup is filled, I can serve you with that filled cup. With an empty cup, I feel I'm not eligible enough or worthy enough to serve you. So let me make myself eligible. That is what is the message they are giving to you. So next card is Temperance card. Temperance card is also like manifesting soulmate in ethers. So Temperance card is also full of butterflies. So as of now, what I see, your twin flame in all the cards, through all the cards, they are telling like I'm transforming from a caterpillar to butterfly. Okay. So this Temperance card is like manifesting all their dreams into reality. So their complete focus is like whatever they are dreaming about now, they want to live that in reality. So until they accomplish that, they don't want to change their concentration and focus, because what they feel is if they come to you, their complete concentration and focus will be you, not their dreams. You are also a part of their dream. You are not one, you are not the only dream. Okay. So but when they want to come to you, they want to come as a well accomplished person, so they are working towards that. And while manifesting all their dreams, they are facing very challenging situations. They are learning to handle all those challenging situations. Okay. And they are learning life lessons also. That life lessons is the transformation they are getting. Okay. So that is how they are becoming emotionally strong personality, and they are learning to balance within themselves, ground themselves, not to be in a hurry burry, not to be like in a desperateness like that. They are learning patience and tolerance, all these things. These are the This is the message your twin flame is telling you. So I'm undergoing so much of transformation, I'm learning tolerance and patience, so please bear with me. Once I'm ready, I'll come back to you. Next card is Hermit. Hermit means what? Hermit is a like Christ who's in isolation, solitude. It's not isolation, it's solitude. So your twin flame is taking his me time, doing so much of introspection, knowing what is happening within him and what is happening around him. And in this introspection, in this me time, he comes to know so much about himself, what all mistakes he has done and how to self correct those mistakes and how not to never repeat that mistake, and how to treat others with so much of respect, and how to treat his dream girl. And he's also learning so much about his dream person who's within his heart space. Okay. So your twin flame is in solitude, and your twin flame being in solitude, doing so much of meditation, doing so much of introspection, and he is having an identity shift. So what does that mean is, until today your twin flame was living a life, isn't it? So and so person's daughter, or so and so person's son, okay, or so and so person's wife, or so and so person's husband, or so and so person mother, like that. They are realizing these are all the roles I played, this is not my identity. So this, I want to know who I am from within. What is my inner essence? My inner essence is my identity. My authenticity is my identity. So they are coming, they are exploring themselves itself more and more. They are digging deep within themselves and knowing who they are from within. Okay, this is what I'm doing. So that is your twin flame telling to you. So please give me some time. Only now I have entered into the spiritual path, and I'm like knowing who I am really. So once I've finished all these things, I'll come back to you. That is what your twin flame is telling you. Okay. So now let us see what are the more messages coming to you, and what is the action he wants to take towards you, he or she. What is the action your twin flame wants to take towards you? What is it? What is the action your twin flame wants to take towards you? What are the actions your twin flame wants to take towards you? What are the actions your twin flame wants to take towards you? What are the actions your twin flame wants to take towards you? For Zenset kids and 2K kids. Oh, Seven of Swords in reverse. Because all the cards are upright only. If it's coming reverse, there should be a purpose for that. So, what are the actions your twin flame is taking towards you for Gen Z kids and 2K kids? What is the action your person is taking towards you for Gen Z kids and 2K kids? Let me know through the cards. What is the action your twin flame is taking towards you for Gen Z kids and 2K kids? Oh, Queen of Swords. This is also in reverse. What are the actions your twin flame is taking towards you? Oh my god. All swords. Why reverse? What are the actions your twin flame is taking towards you? What are the actions your twin flame is taking towards you for Gen Z kids and 2K kids? I saw this devil card during shuffling itself, now it popped out. So, okay. So, this is Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles is like all complete fortune, prosperity, inheritance, close relationships, and family, happy family. Okay. In this Ten of Pentacles, you can see a masculine and a feminine, and kids and dogs, and full of money, money, money. So your twin flame wants to take action is like they want to reach you out, they want to talk to you, but what action they are doing is like they surrendered themselves to the divine, and they are valuing their inner child, they are doing inner child healing. This is also the steps they are taking towards you. Okay. And they want to manifest money. So for manifest money, what all they can give input, all that they are doing. So this is the action they are taking. And Seven of Swords in reverse. This means Seven of Swords is actually self-betrayal card. Okay, so it has come in reverse. So that means they have stopped living their self-betrayal life. Now they want to pursue their dreams in reality. They want to tell, like they have learned to tell no to whatever they don't like and whatever is draining their energy, and they learn to walk away from what are all things are not serving their highest good. So this is how they have learned to come out of the self betrayal life, and now they are marching forward towards their authentic life. So at the same time, Queen of Swords is like expressing their truth. Queen of Swords is in reverse. What I'm feeling is they are feeling at present moment. Now it's not time to express my truth to everyone, or let me not tell this is what I'm undergoing. This is what is my journey. All that the person, your twin flame, does not want to know, want to tell it out. Your twin flame wants to work in silence. They know all the information. They know what they are going through, what steps has to be taken, and what is the solution. Everything they know, the complete truth they know, but still they don't want to express it out. Instead of expressing it out, they want to work in silence. Okay, and achieve results. After achieving the results only they can come to you, no? So this is also the action they are taking towards you. And this is Page of Swords. Page of Swords in research reverse. Pages are all researchers, Swords is truth. So Page of Swords is a person who is keeping on researching and researching about the truth. Now, as of now, they know the complete whole truth. They stopped researching or overthinking about, could this be the truth, could this be the truth, or can it be this way or that way. All these things, overthinking, they were keeping on doing. Now they stopped all that, and now they are at a very relaxed state, and they are like very like calm state of mind. They don't want to keep on researching about what is the truth, what happened. What they have realized is, my peace of mind is more important than keeping on digging and digging to know what has happened in the past. Okay, then this is Devil card. So what I see from this Devil card is, there is so much of jealousy, resentment, self delusion, selfishness, anger, everything. So now your twin flame knows he has all these things, and he is feeling that until he gets detached from all this devil energy. Okay, so all this negativity, once he has tamed, so now he is into taming the beast. How to get rid of all this negativity? How can I become completely positive? So he wants to come to a detachment stage from this attachment stage. So that is the action he is taking. So might be he's going for a coaching, or might be he is collecting informations from the net or YouTube, like how to practice detachment or how to get rid of this attachment, how to love a person without any attachment or without any expectations. All these things your twin flame is learning, so that he can come towards you with an like unconditional love. He'll love you, but still it will be unconditional love without any attachment, and he also will practice detachment. So these are the messages your twin flame want to convey you for December second half for Zen Z kids and 2K kids. Okay, guys, let us meet in what are the kids? What are the gifts waiting for Christmas for Zen Z kids and 2K kids? So let us have a reading. Let us meet there. Until then, bye.